friends, welcome back. In this video, I would like to teach you more about trigonometry. Today, we have to discuss the following concepts: values of trigonometric ratios, Pythagoras theorem or Bogdan theorem, Pythagoras numbers. This is the part 2. If you haven't watched my video part 1, you must watch first that video, then watch this second part. Let us learn one by one. First, values of trigonometric ratios. Values of trigonometric ratios for specific angles. Specific angles means 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 angles. So this side angles, this side ratios. First we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide this by 4. Apply square root. Then we can find the sign values. 0 by 4, 0. Square root of 0, 0. Square root of 1 by 4, 1. 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by square root of 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Two ones are two twos. Root 1 by root 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Root 3 by root 4, that is equal to root 3 by root 4, 2. 4 ones are 4 ones are 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means square root of 1, square root of 1, 1. These are sign values for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. 0, sine 0, 1, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees, 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees, root 3 by 2, sine 90 degrees, 1. Now cos values, this last to first 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Now tan values, we know tan is equal to sine by cos. Quotient relation. Sine by cos. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. We can calculate this. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 2 ones are cancel. 1 by root 3. So these are same quantities we can get. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 2 cancel, root 3. 1 by 0, not defined. Not defined. Means infinite. Now cot values, we know cot is equal to quotient relation cos by sine, cos by sine. 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by 0 not defined. or infinity, not defined or infinity. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 cancel, root 3. Same quantities, this we can get 1. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. One by root 3, 0 by 1, 0. Next, sec values. We know sec is equal to 1 by cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So we can write for these reciprocals 1 reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1 means root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. Reciprocal of 0 means 0 by 1, 1 by 0 not defined. Infinity or infinity. Next, cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So 0 by 1 means 1 by 0, not defined. Or infinity. 1 by 2, 2. 1 by root 2, root 2. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 1, 1 by 1, 1. So these are trigonometric values for specific angles. If we observed the values of trigonometric ratios for specific angles, we can understand some facts for these trigonometric ratios. The values of sine and cos always lies between 0 and 1. Sine and cos always lies between 0 and 1. In case of tan, the values increase from 0 to infinity. Tan 0 to infinity. In case of cot, the values are decreasing. Infinity to 0. In case of sec, the values increase from 1 to infinity. One to infinity. In case of cosec, the values decrease from infinite to 1. Next, Pythagoras theorem or Bauduin theorem. This is a very important theorem. In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. We can see detail. This is a right angle triangle A, B, C. right angle at C. The opposite side of this right angle is hypotenuse. We can show with C. Opposite side of this angle A, small a. Opposite side of angle B, small b. Now, in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. From this Pythagoras theorem, c square is equal to a square plus b square. We can find more auxiliary formulas. C is equal to under root of a square plus b square. C is equal to a square plus b square. Next, a square plus b square is equal to c square. We just turned this formula. A square is equal to c square minus b square. Shifted this b square from left to right. Then a is equal to under root of c square minus b square. Similarly, we can write b is equal to under root of c square minus a square. Based on this Pythagoras theorem or Bauduin theorem, if one of the sides and any other parts, either angle or sides of a right angle triangle is known, the remaining sides and angles of the triangle can be determined. Let us say one example. If tan A is equal to 3 by 4, then find the other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios means here given tan A, sin, cos, cosec, cosec. We have to find. What is given here? Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. We know tan A definition, opposite side by adjacent side. Let us take opposite side. 3 by 4 means 3k, 4 means 4k. This is opposite side 3k, adjacent side 4k. To find all those trigonometric ratios, we must need this hypotenuse. So that's why we first to find this hypotenuse. So how to find this hypotenuse? Based on that Pythagoras or Bauduin theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to AC is equal to under root of AB square plus BC square under root of 4 square plus 3 square under root of 16 plus 4 square 4 4 16 3 square 3 3 is 9 under root of 25. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. AC is 5. So this let me take this is 5k. Now we can find remaining all ratios. Sine, we know sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse 3k by 5k is equal to 3 by 5 cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5 cot adjacent by opposite 4 adjacent by opposite side 4 by 3. Next sec hypotenuse by adjacent. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Five by 4. Next cosec A. We know cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So hypotenuse by opposite. Five by 3. Next Pythagoras triplets. Pythagoras triplets are Pythagoras numbers. Without calculating the other side, also we can know that side if we know these Pythagoras triplets. Let us see what are Pythagoras triplets. 3, 4, 5. 5, 12, 13. 6, 8, 10. 7, 24, 25. 8, 15, 17, etc. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates, and also share your friends.